Even just my
the
back.
video. This is what happens when you leave somebody who's injured without getting the help that she needs. This is the end result of what you guys have done to Melissa. And it's not funny in the least. And yet you continue to tell her that these are not compensable injuries. That there is serious issues. You can feel every one of her vertebrae. I wouldn't leave a dog in this condition, never mind a human being who's tried so hard to live her life and be happy, and you guys are doing this shit to her. Yeah, well, good luck to you now.